Hello everyone, this is Vishwa and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So I was getting a lot of queries that how can we get rid of our hair and skin problems. So here is the solution. So I came across to a brand called Chic Nutrix and their products, especially this ChicNutrix Skin Superfoods and ChicNutrix Bounce. They are mind-blowing. So we'll start the video, but before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe it, like the video and share it as much as possible. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about ChicNutrix Skin Superfoods. This is an advanced vegan collagen booster packed with the power of 22 superfood. It's available in delicious flavor that is blueberry and lemon. It is formulated to be gentle on stomach with faster action and absorption with no side effects to boost the collagen production naturally and renew. Not only this, it revitalize, rejuvenate and radiate the skin. It also detoxify our skin from within. To consume it, you have to take one scoop of it, stir it and cheers. And you will get a flawless and radiating skin as a result. For the best result, you have to consume this for 90 days. And the best part is it is 100% vegan. So what are you waiting for? Order yours right away and enjoy the goodness of healthy and glowing skin. Talking about the secret behind my healthy and happy hair is ChicNutrix Bounce. It is a yummy and fizzy drink available in two flavors, green apple and raspberry. So it consists of HRC, biotin and selenium. It is a complete effervescent hair food for the first time in India. To consume it, you have to pop one tablet into water, let it feast and cheers. So talking about the benefits, it recovers hair health, improves hair growth, reduces hair fall and you will get a bouncy, shiny and strong hairs. It promotes nourishment and maintaining the health of hair follicles which supports hair growth. Apart from this, it also reduces dry, rough, brittle hairs and also the split ends. It will increase our hair density. So I am using this product from last 1 month and I can feel that my hairs are stronger and healthier now. So what more would you expect? Hurry up now, order them, link in the description box. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.